This video will show you how to link your QuickBooks desktop version with BizPayO. A few things to remember. Make sure you're using a QuickBooks version that's no older than 3 years from QuickBooks' most current edition. Also, when logging into BizPayO to do this, use the Chrome browser. Navigate down to the Apps section and click the button for QuickBooks Desktop. Before clicking the green button below, make sure you open up your QuickBooks company now and that you're logged in as admin. I know that I'm logging in as admin because it tells me right here at the top of the screen. After you log in, make sure you close down any windows that are open. This is an essential piece, so the screen looks blank. Now come back and click the green button. Then click to download the Sync Manager. You might see it loading in the bottom system tray here. Your computer might be slightly different, but you want to go ahead and click all the buttons or any blocks of software that you have in place and go ahead and install the app. And you'll see the BizPayO Sync Manager pop up on your screen. It might be behind the screen that you're in now, but that's okay. Let's come back to the BizPayO installation wizard and click that it's been installed successfully. Go ahead and copy this unique code right here. Make sure you copy it perfectly, and you want to now paste it right into this open window and click Save. And you'll see it'll say connected here. You can go ahead and close this here, but it still stays open in the background. Now click OK, Paste, and Saved. Now we want to test our connection to QuickBooks to make sure it's actually working. So with your QuickBooks file open, which I'm going to kind of move right into this window here just so we could see it work together. I have QuickBooks open and I'm going to click Test Connection. You should see a pop-up screen on your QuickBooks screen. You want to click the one that says Yes. Always allow access even if QuickBooks is not running. You'll also get another dialog box that comes in and you want to just click Yes. Continue. Click Done. It might take a few minutes to finish the process of connecting, so just be patient. Great, there was success. Now let's click Continue. BizPayO Sync Manager is now retrieving data from your QuickBooks file to help set things up. And here it is. Make sure this is set to Yes, this way deposits sync at night. And what you want to do now is select the bank account from within your QuickBooks file. This is your chart of accounts that you want to push deposits to. Every time money comes in funds, where is it going to go? Also, you want to select which processing fees account that QuickBooks should post to. That's for the monthly charges for processing for every credit card and e-check transaction. At the end of the month, it gets merged. Normally, you would select bank charges and click Continue. And now you're finished. You can tell that the app was installed correctly by coming to Edit Preferences. Click Integrated Applications, Company Preferences. You'll see it right here. Click Properties and make sure that this box is checked to always allow application to log in automatically, and you're all set.